Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Agarwal. I am the founder of Prayas Concept Classes. As the head of training, I had the privilege of training more than 5,000 teachers and principals. I've also authored 2 books. But while in the classroom, I have observed a major problem. Students were not enjoying the class and they were mugging up the concept. This led to leave my corporate career and dedicate myself in solving this problem. At Prayas Concept Classes, our mission is simple yet powerful. To teach students how and why behind the concepts, to make classroom more fun, meaningful and impactful, and transforming young minds one student at a time. At Prayas, we truly believe in transforming students by giving them curiosity, clarity, understanding, and not just preparing for exams, but preparing them for the real life. I invite you all in joining our mission at Prayas Concept Classes by transforming one student's life at a time.